Aloha folks, welcome to another video. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. Today I got three companies that you definitely want to put on your watch list. As always, please remember this is not a financial advice. This is just me sharing my thoughts, my opinion, what stocks I'm looking at. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you are new to investing and you want to learn about different types of companies to invest on, growth stocks, dividend stocks, even penny stocks, you definitely want to hit that subscribe button. Do me a favor and hit that like button, as well as don't forget to hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss on some of the stocks that I review. I want you guys to join my little ohana of investors so that together we can make some money in the stock market. With that said, let's take a look at this company. The first company on our list is Identiv, ticker symbol INVE. This is a company that engages in physical security and secure identification products. So as you can see from their website, they have an array of different types of physical security devices. They include access control, video surveillance, analytics, and other applications. So definitely interesting company. Definitely something that in today's world you're probably going to use. I like it. I think this is a company that has potential. Now let's take a look at CNN Business. Based on their price forecast, you can see at the time of this video it was up. It is $11 with a forecast of high of $13. The medium's 13 and the low is 8. Their analysis recommendation is a buy based on 3. The next reporting period is March 4, so you definitely want to put that in your calendar if this is something that you're interested. Now, if we look at Yahoo Finance, as you can see, it is a small market cap of 216. 52-week range is the high is 11. Now, if we look down to the earnings, as you can see, 2 beats and 2 misses. The revenue is getting better. As you can see, it's starting to climb. Starting from 2016 to 2019, it has gotten better. Earnings has also, if you look at the earnings, it's getting better as well. Now, if we look at the trends, you can see based on the trends, it has been between strong buy and a buy. On November, it was a hold. Recommendation is still as a buy. The price target is a little bit higher than the average. So now if we look at the top institutional holdings, there's about 50 at the time of December 30th, 2020. This is the top one. Here's Vanguard. I always like to look for Vanguard. BlackRock is over here. So Vanguard is at least one of the top 3. BlackRock is at least so. So I always like looking at those companies because I like those companies. I think those are the big time companies. Now, if we look at Webull, we can see 55 of them hold this company with 12 of them increase and 18 new, 5 decrease. Webull also recommends based on 3 analysis as a buy. So if you are ready to start your investing journey, there's a link in the description and in the comments. If you use that link and you deposit at least $100, you get a stock. You get about 2 free stocks, and I get 2 free stocks. So definitely use that. Wow. Hopefully you get something good. Now let's take a look at bar chart and let's see how the chart is based on the 1 month chart. You can see based on the 1 month chart, the red is 20 moving average, the blue is 50. As you can see, it is a beautiful upward trend. Looking at the volume seems to be steady. MACD has crossed, so I like it when it crosses, it goes up. The Rizzo is between 0.80 and about 0.22, which is great. We'll see what happens in the next couple of days. I like it. definitely something you want to put on your watch list. Second on the list is Cmlf Sciences. The ticker symbol for now is Cmlf. This is a special purpose acquisition company. So they are going to merge with this other company called Cmlf. So the plan is to take Cmlf via SPAC merger. So Cmlf is a clinical data company that uses artificial intelligence to help bring patients' data together. So looking at some of the articles, as you can see, here are 13 things to know about the merger. So the deal will close in Q2 2021. If we look down on it, so the merger will result in changing the company's name as well as the Cmlf stock. Final name and ticker for the combined company haven't been announced. The merger is set as a value of $2 billion. The date is set to close on the second quarter of 2021. So this is something you definitely want to put on your watch list. And now if we go to the charts, as you can see based on the 1 month chart, definitely going upward trend. You can see the volume has increased. Again, MACD has crossed over. The Rizzo is in a good spot, which I like. Now, why are we talking about this company? Because one of my favorite persons, Kathy Woods of ARK Invest, purchased some of these shares on Thursday, February 11, 2021. And these are the ones that they purchased. And here is the company as well as the other companies that they purchased on that day. So definitely something to consider. I love Kathy Woods. I think she is a genius. I think she is awesome. Now let's take a look at the last one. So the last one is Blade Urban Air Mobility, another SPAC, but right now the SPAC is called Experience Investment. The ticker symbol is EXPC. So they will merge with this company, Blade Urban Air Mobility. So if you look at what Blade Air Mobility is, it is kind of like Uber, but in a helicopter, in a sense. So if we look at some of their PowerPoint presentation, you can see some of their reasoning to it. Global traffic congestion is a problem, as you can see. Now, if we look at these things, they offer that it reduces time travel and anxiety at prices less than compared to alternatives. So you can see they have case studies from Manhattan, case studies from New York to Philadelphia. So some of their key business lines: short distance, Blade Airport, Blade Medical Mobility, and international JV. So projected 2024 earnings revenue would be about 402 million, 28 scheduled routes. So here's another article about it. So the Blade Air Mobility will be coming public via SPAC. So they are going to merge. So right now, the ticker symbol is EXPC, Experience Investment, and they will merge with, eventually going to be called Blade Urban Air Mobility. So some of the things to know about these guys is that they've been around since 2014. The bill itself as a helicopter taxi company. They offer short distance helicopter trips for about $1,000 a ride. So essentially, they want to make it like a private jet and helicopter ride more accessible, creating a middle offering between first class airline tickets and 20,000 private flights. So they will merge with a valuation of about 825 million. So this company sees a process of 400 million. So just to keep an eye on this company, definitely something to consider. Now take a look at the chart. As you can see on the 3-month chart, beautiful upward trend. The volume has been steady. The MACD has crossed, but then it's on a downward spiral. It's on going downwards. So the Rizzo has been great. It's between those areas, 8.85 and 0.22. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, you definitely want to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on some of the stocks that I put out. As always, please remember to do your own research, do your due diligence. Stay cool, keep investing, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Aloha.